Today's look was inspired by my favorite mystical creature, fairies, and lately I've been seeing lots of butterflies. So for this look, you can choose any colors you like. I liked purple and aqua, so that's what I went for. Starting off with a foundation ready face, we are going to work straight on the eyes. First, place the color of your choosing, in this case it's lilac. Place the shade all over your eye, and I like creating cat shapes. They just give the eye a really nice form. Then, taking a white eye gel pencil, I created this wispy wing. You can choose another butterfly wing shape if you like. This outline will help us fill in the other colors. And it's also a really nice way to start sketching your face. And if you mess up, white eyeliner, you can easily erase it. On the bottom part of the eye, use that same method and create the bottom shape of the butterfly wing. On the corner, I used this pretty teal shade to create an ombre effect. Do the same to the bottom wing, putting it on the outer corner. If it looks messy right now, don't worry. It will look cleaner as we go on in the tutorial. I used this purple pink shade on the crease to help bridge the lilac and teal shades. Using an icy blue gel liner, make a wing shape on the upper lash line. Here comes the fun part, glitter. So using a blue-green glitter from my Aura and Out palette, I placed this on the center lid to make the eyes look more mystic. On the lower lash, I decided I wanted the eyes to pop more, so I used a hot pink shade.
Flames flicker underneath my skin, the ember of my patience is wearing thin, holding on to that happy ending. It's time to choose the future of my new beginning.
Then retracing that icy blue gel liner, I also used this mint green gel liner. These gel liners are actually from Colourpop and they are very, very, very pretty. You can easily do a simple colorful eyeliner look with them. And then just using the same white gel pencil, just retrace over the butterfly wing. Lastly, if you made any mistakes, I would use Q-tips to erase anything that got out of the lines.
I'm foolish for living in a constant state of a pretty head. I'm foolish for believing that I have a choice. I'm foolish for thinking that I'm the one in a million.
I also added this lilac gel pencil to the waterline. I really love how cute it looked.
I'm fighting fire with fire.
For my cheeks, I added Little Lilac from the Emcosmetics line to give this a more fantasy look. This lilac blush shade is so pretty, and I really recommend getting Emcosmetics blushes because they look so natural on the skin and they make you look like you're glowing from within.
Value I love more than what I can get. Is the future in mind?
I then decided to add faux freckles to my face. I really liked them and I really wanted to try them out for this tutorial. I honestly think faux freckles are so adorable. And I decided to do them white because again, this is a fairy look, so my imagination went a little wild.
For thinking that I'm the one in a million. I'm foolish for believing I have a voice. Every word I write is another step towards failure.
I kept my lips really simple by just adding some clear gloss. I really am loving this one from Emcosmetics in Quartz. It's not sticky and it feels really, really nice on the lips, almost like you're adding water. It's really, really nice, very moisturizing.
Foolish, I'm for being so naive. I'm foolish for giving you no.
I decided to add the teal gel liner to the lips. I don't know, I really thought this made the lips stand out more. I just thought it was cute. This is an optional part. I just thought it made the look more cute.
I'm no longer at the crossroads. I've chosen which path to take. Every passing second is another choice I haven't made. Do I value what?
And as far as the hair goes, I added these butterfly clips that I bought from Amazon because I really thought that it would bring out the fantasy Pisces moon in me. That is the end of this tutorial. Hope you llamas enjoyed this easy butterfly fairy look and see you all on the next one.